A good morning, everyone. Welcome today in a daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Saturday, September the 2nd, 2023. Here again, we have two regular puzzles. One for the Saturday and one for the Sunday. The medium Sudoku I will solve later on in a minute. And this one, the Samurai Sudoku, I will solve this tomorrow evening. Two regular puzzles, but we have also in this newspaper a puzzle page and an additional the puzzle page for Saturday. We have here two Sudokus with 3 stars, one and number two. Then we have a killer Sudoku, two binaries 10 by 10, and the last one is a tectonic. 4 of these puzzles I will solve in the evening, and tomorrow evening I will solve the additional. This is the additional with 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese Suguru, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. In these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles in the additional. I won't do them all. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow. Alright. So we have a lot of puzzles for the weekend, but we start with this one. Yes, the medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 725. Yeah, 725. Position the camera. Focus the puzzle. Yes. Alright. 725. Let me put this here. 7025. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. In addition, it will be a 1 star for 1 star. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star. Alright. So let's get started. Alright, let me see which number can I pick. How about a 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. How about the 4 in this column, the 4 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7. Need a 4 here. Need a 3 here. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have 2 and a 3 in the middle column, so no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Then 6, 9. Then 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So 1 digit left in this column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. And look, we have 3 in this row, so no 3 there. Here, 3 in that column, so no 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 8 are left. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Need to wait. Let me see. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 2 here. I'm thinking. Come on. 8. Need a 6 here. Yeah. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. No. We have 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Here we have also, no, 2. Here we have 2. Okay, we need a 2 in this column then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers in this column is the number 2. Here can be 2 because we have 2 in this row, so no 2 there. Here can be 2 because we have 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the 2 in this column could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here, 2 in the middle column, no 2. No, sorry, 2 in this row, not the column, but the row. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. We have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. So the only place left with the 2 in this column should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 7. The 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row. Oh, we have 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And we have a pair again, the 2 and a 6 in this row, the 2 and a 6 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places left for the 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, last column, no 3 there. Here 3 in the column next, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 7. Here can be 7 because we have 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. So the 7 in the first row could be here, or there. And look, we have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. Here 7 in the column next, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then, do we have all the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. How about the 3s? And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number to number 3. And now, how about 1, 8, and 6. Well, we have 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in this first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers. Can I do this? Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. No 1 goes there. 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left with 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8, 8. 1 and 6. I'm thinking 4, 4. Well, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there. We see a 4 in this column. Second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. All right. Then. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in set column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 and 2. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. Then do we have all the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 2. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. Yeah. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. Okay. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Tomorrow we have a samurai Sudoku in the evening, and we have also 4 puzzles in the additional. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. See you later. Bye bye for now.